Dear all, in this lecture, we will be discussing the MCQ based on some basic topics of C++, data types, and operators in C++. I would like to discuss the question given to you in the previous lecture. Which question was given to you? Which of the following is the address operator? So I think in C also, we were using this operator for the address with the scanf. So same is used here also in the C++. So option B should be the correct answer for this question. Now, the MCQ based on these lectures till now are using namespace. First MCQ is this. Using namespace std is used too. Why we use using namespace std? Actually, when we write the program, we write before the header, after the header file, we write using namespace std. So why we write this word? So for example, if we are not writing this word using, if we want to give input, then we write this thing, for example a. Now, if we are not using the namespace std, then we have to write std resolution operator cin. So every time we have to write this std and resolution cin or cout with std and resolution operator. To avoid writing the repeatedly this, we use this word using namespace std. So I think C should be the correct answer here. Now, question number 2, that is MCQ 2, is that C++ supports which programming style? So I think C++ is derived from the C, so it also supports the procedural style, and it is also object oriented language, so it supports object oriented style, and so I think it supports both, and it also supports separately. So D should be the correct answer. So D is the correct answer here. Now MCQ 3, the question is who invented C++? So I think this person, Dennis Ritchie, was invented the C. But if we talk about, we have discussed in the previous lecture, starting lecture, that is which Rani Strauss-Trupp discovered or invented the C++. So D option is the correct answer here. Now, if we talk about the MCQ4, the question is that which data type occupy the more memory? So if we talk about the int occupy the 2 to 4 byte of memory. It occupy the again the 4 byte. It occupy 8 byte of memory, and it occupy 1 byte of memory. So I think C option, that is double, occupy more memory, that is 8 byte. So C is the correct answer here. Now if we talk about the MCQ5, in MCQ5 the question is asked what is value of h in the following C++ snippet. Then in this program, the we have to tell him the value of h. So they are saying that equation is a is true, means the value of a is 1, b is false, the value of b is 0, x is 10, y is 5. Then he has given you the equation is that h is equal to x or y plus a plus b. Now in place of x, we will be writing 1. In place of 0, we will be writing here. In place of the 0, we will be writing, that is what we will be writing here. In place of the x, we are writing here the 1. In place of why we are writing here the 0 in place of a. We will be writing here 1010, that is 10. In place of the b, we will be writing here 0101, that is binary of 5. So 1 or 0 is 1. If we talk about this one, so we should add this 1010 1010 with this binary, that is 0101. So if we will add, this will become 1, this will become 1, this will 0 plus 1 will become 1, 1 plus 0 will become 1, 1 plus 0 will become. So this is the binary of 15. So we can add a 1 plus 15, so it will become the 16. So like this, B, there should be the D option is the correct answer here. Now, if we talk about the MCQ 6, so what is the following output of the following C++ code? So here they have given x, and they have used the pointer, that is x pointer is equal to x pointer minus y. So here they are passing the value of this number, that is number value is here the 30. Number value is here the 30. So what, so they, you can write here that is 30 into minus y is again the 30. So we will be writing the 29. So if you will multiply this, you will get the answer 870. So like this, you can solve this question, that is answer should be D option should be correct, that is 870. Now, if we talk about the MCQ 7, what is the output if a is equal to 5? Then we are writing plus a, means we are incrementing the value of a. Pre-increment is there, so we are incrementing the value of a by 1, so we should get the answer 6. So 6 should be the correct answer, that is B is the correct answer. Now, if we talk about the MCQ 8, here they have used a is equal to 5, they have used the a plus plus, means it is a post increment. What is the post increment? Post increment means value will be incremented after the output. So here the initially the value was a was 5. So I think the 5 answer should be the 5 one again, and it will be incremented after the display of the answer. So B should be the correct answer. If we talk about the MCQ 9 is that equation is given a plus 5 into 2. The value of a is given 2. So if we multiply 5 and 2, we will get the 10. And if we add this 2, so here we will be solving first the multiplication, then we will be doing the addition. So we will get 10 plus 2, that is the 12. Here we are using priority of the operator. Multiplication operator is having higher priority than addition operator. So that's why we will be first solving the multiplication here. Now, if we talk about the MCQ 10, the question is that a is equal to 10, a minus is equal to 3. It means that a is equal to a minus 3. So we will get 10 minus 3. That is 7 should be the correct answer for this question. Now, if we talk about the MCQ 11, so here they are using the modulo operator, means in place a is equal to 7, they are writing like this. So modulo operator is used for the remainder. So we will getting the answer 3 here. 3, that is A option is the correct answer here. Now MCQ 12 is here the value of a is 5 and they are writing a upon b. So it is 5 upon 2. The we will get the quotient will be here 2. So if we divide 5 by 2, then we will have the quotient 2 in case of the integer. Now so b should be the correct answer for this MCQ. दोस्तों अगर क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 की बात करें तो यहाँ पर ए को यहाँ पर ए का डेटा टाइप डबल लिया हुआ है। डबल मतलब इस ये डेसिमल नंबर आंसर दे सकता है। तो यहाँ पे हम बात करें तो यहाँ पे इन्होंने लिखा है 5/2। तो इसका आंसर डबल मतलब डेसिमल नंबर आ सकता है। तो इसको अगर अपन सॉल्व करें तो इसका क्वोशिएंट आएगा 2.5। सो सिंस इट इज़ नॉट अ इंटीजर और यहाँ पे डबल है तो इसलिए इसका आंसर क्या आएगा 2.5। दैट इज बी इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा बी। नाउ if we talk about the last question of today's, that is question number 14, here value of a is given 10. So he is asking, he has used the relational operator, that is 10 is greater than the 5. So he will be giving the answer either 1 or 0. If this condition, since this condition is true, so answer will be given true, that is 1. So option C is the correct answer. So this is all about the MCQ question based on the topics covered till now. दोस्तों अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो आप अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करना मत भूलिए और आप लाइक बटन ज़रूर हिट कीजिए. So we are having the one question to assess yourself, that is if a is given 3, here the value of a is given 3. Now he is asking the question a into a plus 2. So you can solve this question and you can give us answer in the comment box. Thank you very much.